Discover the versatile charging options and 2 innovative hybrid charging options for the AmpAura Purea 3. Let's check them out. Starting with AC charging, you have the flexibility to adjust the charging speed by pressing the AC charging speed switch on and off. Next up is solar charging. Once the solar panel is installed, connect the solar panel and plug the solar charging cable into the Purea 3 solar charging output port for clean, sustainable energy. For car charging, connect the 12-volt charging cable into the car's 12-volt power outlet. Insert the XT60 cable into the device's XT60 port, and you're good to go. For EV charging needs, connect your EV charger to our EV charging adapter and plug it into the EV charging input port. For the faster charging option, mix AC with solar power. This hybrid method charges your Purea 3 super fast.